So I'll just run the camera while making one of these swirled dichroic paperweights. They take about 6 minutes to make, start to finish, without any reheats. And I use dichro coated onto fusing glass, and I use fusing glass for color in them as well. A lot of fusing glass fits lots of different furnace glass, so it's a great cheap source of color that's really easy to work with. This is more of a demonstration than a tutorial, but I did do a tutorial on how to make these step by step, but from a distance I'm just going to go through the process. I'm making dichroic swirled paperweights with a 40-pound furnace. Here comes the first gather. I'm going to marver it a little bit, and I'm going to quench it in water. I'm going to put in the color, put a little drop of water on the color to crack it in the middle, and take the second gather. Marver out the shape I need to pick up my colored dichro strips, and quench it in the baking soda water. Little straightening. One more quench. Take out the preheated dichro strips from the annealer. Pick up the color. The baking soda fizz bubbles push through the color to make clear bubbles in the color. Pick up the dichro strips. I'm just going to cut off the top where there's no decoration. And I can start to give these a bit of a twist while the glass is still a little bit soft. Going in for the next gather, which I'm going to strip off along the side of the crucible because I only want a thin gather. And now I can do the twisting of the design in a clockwise direction. And I'm going to bring all those cut pieces of dichro into the center and cut them off. And then I'm going to push a hole in the center like this for an air trap. That air bubble in the center hides the cut and kind of gives it more of a three-dimensional look. Final gather. And the claw tool for necking down the paperweight. quench the punty in the water pail. Clean it off for the next one. Preheat some tongs. Fire polish the cut area on the bottom of the paperweight. And press it back down the marver again. And into the annealer it goes.